Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a thoughtful card for your teacher, step by step. First, let's gather all the necessary supplies. You will need a piece of cardstock, which will be the base of your card, along with scissors, glue, and various decorative items. Think about your teacher's favorite colors or hobbies to make your choices extra special. Don't forget markers or colored pencils for your personal message. Now that you have your materials, let's start designing. Take your cardstock and carefully fold it in half to form the card's base. This creates two distinct sides for your design. Before committing, lightly sketch your ideas with a pencil. You might want to draw a small picture, write a special quote, or simply plan where your message will go. This step is all about bringing your vision to life. With your design sketched, it's time to add the fun details. Use glue to carefully attach any decorative elements you've chosen, like glitter, stickers, or small cutouts. Once the outside is decorated, open your card and write your personal message. Make sure your handwriting is neat and legible. A small, hand-drawn picture or a special symbol can add a wonderful, unique touch to your heartfelt words. Before you present your beautiful creation, take a final look. Check for any smudges, ensure all glue is dry, and confirm your message is perfectly clear and expresses your gratitude. Remember, the effort and thought you put into a handmade card make it incredibly special. Finally, present your unique card to your teacher with a warm, genuine smile. It's a wonderful way to show your appreciation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.